In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to set up email forwarding in Freshservice. To start, sign in to Freshservice with an administrator account. Only admins can edit support email settings, so if you can't see the options I mention, double-check your role or ask an admin to grant access. From the left menu, open Admin, then Channels, choose Email, and open Email Settings and Mailboxes. This page shows the support mailboxes that feed your help desk. You'll notice there's a default support address that Freshservice created for your account. It's a system address that already knows how to convert incoming emails into tickets, which makes it perfect for quick testing or small teams. Now decide whether you'll use that default address or connect your own branded support email. Using the default is the fastest path. You can share it internally and start sending test requests right away. If you prefer to use a custom address, select Add Mailbox. A short form appears. Give the mailbox a clear name. This is just a label your agents will see, such as Customer Support or IT Help Desk. Enter the actual email address your customers will write to. You can also choose a support group, which routes new tickets straight to a specific team. If you're not sure which group to pick, leave it blank for now. You can always adjust the assignment rules later. Save your changes. Freshservice will immediately generate a unique forwarded to address for this mailbox. Think of it as the secure intake point that Freshservice monitors. Any message that lands there becomes a ticket, complete with the original sender, subject, and body. Copy this. Forwarded to address and store it somewhere safe. You'll need it when you create the forwarding rule in your email provider so that your support mailbox sends a copy of each message into Freshservice. Treat it like an internal destination and avoid sharing it publicly to prevent spam. Back on the mailboxes list, confirm that your new mailbox appears and that the name and group look correct. If you decide later to switch between the default address and your custom one, you can return to this page and update the settings at any time. That's it for the Freshservice side. You've selected your support email, created a mailbox if needed, and obtained the forwarded to address that powers email to ticket conversion. In the next step, you'll point your external email to that address, and your team will start seeing requests flow into Freshservice automatically.